Doctor, good evening and good evening to everybody.
Good evening.
I'm Ravi from Hyderabad.
Right.
We started this our company about a year back.
Okay.
That is from the pandemic to pandemic.
All right. Okay.
Doctor, now that we're discussing,
Mhm.
uh, lots of people are looking for resale apartments.
Right. Mhm.
But how do I get those resale apartments?
Fantastic.
Unless I
So,
have a guy who's
right.
running around and looking out for resale apartments.
I want to show you something because the reason why I asked, resale is something which as a business is one of our core strength. Okay. So I'll show you something which is our own and how we do it. So if you look at, I think for did you attend that day two Q&A? Day two the
I've attended all the 4 days.
Okay, so do you remember that we were talking about? I think there was certain, I forgot the gentleman name, but we were discussing about अरे यार वो client लेके आते हैं वहाँ cheating हो जाता है और फिर वो deal नहीं हो पाती है, right? There were that kind of discussions happening, and we said that
Yeah.
the main thing is that you should get a control over the seller. So I take an example. How do we do? And I think if Ratnesh is there, he can even share the resale funnel, what we do to get a resale inventory. So what we do, of course, if you go to the Magic Bricks or any portals, you will get people posting their properties there, right? Because everyone is looking someone to go and sell. And this is how agents contact them or real estate consultants contact them. But what happens that everybody work in an open market. What we do, getting a list of those inventories online is very easy. You can get that. I think there's a very simple search you do, but that is not enough. That is not your inventory. That is everyone is working on. What we do then, we follow a process. We run a funnel to convert them into a locked inventory. So we go and talk to these people. And if you look at, this is just one example. So we run so first part of the funnel is that we source these people, we source these things which is online, right? And then our team talk to them, and then we get an appointment to go and inspect and do the mark and get the market reiki, that what could be the market price for that. Once we do that, right, so that means that is a further engagement. Once we do that and he gets interested, then we and discuss about this proposal. So selling your property at the best price and in your target time scale. This is our proposal which we discuss with our guys. So I think if you look at, then we talk about first of all we talk about the customer, what is he looking for, what we offer as a partner, right? And before I present this offer, then let me explain how did we. So hum logon ne, we have worked because we have been into this business for last many years, and then we talk about our capabilities, our network, that how are we able to sell out properties fast and efficient enough. Then we talk about what we have done, how many sellers and buyers we work, and based on our understanding of the needs of the seller, this is our offer. So this is what we offer: initial consulting. So there we discussing with the seller, we define a plan because his input is very important, right? Then we design a marketing plan to generate for that. Then we finalize how to finalize offer, some complete settlement, and I think getting the customer and then we show them that how do we do it, right? And how are we going to generate leads and everything we show them. And at the end, and the beauty is and all these things, that how do we calculate pricing and all these things which we show you. And then we even would, and these are the things which we show. Okay, how do we convince the buyer that we present all these analysis, net operating income analysis and IRR analysis, and then how do we communicate with the client in the whole process. Would you believe that we also charge 15,000 rupees in advance to work with them, and people give their inventories to us. And also, of course, we charge 2%. Sometimes it gets negotiated to 1.5% as well. So I'm just sharing. So this is one proposal which we use, but we run a resale inventory funnel where we source where we get locked inventories.